Yeah, so I'm just heading up to the escalator. You know, I got my game, so I got more stuff right here. So yeah, it's pretty much, you know, busy at the mall here. What you can see, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna head out right now. So yeah, see ya. Especially, you know, staying safe. See ya. Yeah, it's pretty crazy at this mall right now. So yeah, so I'm just doing some shopping right now. So you know, I got something for me, and you know, I got more in here. So yeah, you know, the guy with the violin over there is, you know, he's really good. You know, yeah, right behind me. You know, yeah.